Let A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Alpha belongs to R such that A raised to 32 is equal to the matrix 0 minus 1 1 0. Then the value of alpha is what is? Okay. Therefore, first to find A square. A square is A into A, that is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha. So sin alpha cos alpha into cos of alpha minus of sin alpha and cos of alpha. Okay. Then this is equal to multiply row with a column here. Multiply this row with this column. Cos into cos becomes a cos square here. Cos square alpha minus sin alpha into sin alpha minus of sin square alpha. Multiply this row with this column here. Cos alpha into minus sin alpha. So minus of sin alpha into cos of alpha. Then minus sin alpha into cos alpha minus of sin alpha into cos of alpha. Then multiply this row with this column here. Sin alpha into cos alpha. Sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. That is sin alpha into cos alpha. Multiply this row with this column here. Sin alpha into minus sin alpha minus of sin square alpha. Cos alpha into cos alpha becomes plus cos square alpha. Plus cos square alpha. Then you know the trigonometry formula. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is a cos of 2 alpha. Cos of 2 alpha. And minus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. And you know 2 sin alpha cos alpha is sin 2 alpha. So minus of sin 2 alpha. And this plus this 2 sin alpha cos alpha is this becomes sin of 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha. And again cos square minus sin square is cos 2 alpha. Cos of 2 alpha. Okay. So A square is equal to this matrix here. Just observe here A is this matrix. A square is this matrix. Similarly A cube becomes cos 3 alpha minus sin 3 alpha sin 3 alpha cos 3 alpha. Therefore in general we can write here A raised to n is equal to cos of n alpha minus sin of n alpha, then sin of n alpha and cos of n alpha. It is a raised to n. Here they given a raised to 32 here. Okay. So therefore a raised to 32 is equal to, they already given the matrix here 0 minus 1 and 0. This implies a cube a raised to 32. A raised to 32 means just replace n by 32 here. So cos of 32 alpha minus sin of 32 alpha, then sin of 32 alpha and cos of 32 alpha here. Then this equal to the matrix 0 minus 1 and 1 0. Okay. Then equating the corresponding elements here. Cos 32 alpha is equal to 0. So cos of 32 alpha is equal to 0. Minus sin 32 alpha is equal to minus 1. Minus and minus cancels here. So you can write sin 32 alpha. Sin of 32 alpha is equal to 1 here. cos 32 alpha is a 0, sin 32 alpha is 1, hence 32 alpha is equal to what here? According to the trigonometric formula, obviously it is a 90 degree, means pi by 2. Take a 32 right side here, therefore pi divided by 32 into 2 becomes 64 here. Therefore alpha is equal to pi by 64. So C is the correct option here.
1.
Here there are two determinants here. Delta 1 is this determinant, delta 2 is this determinant. You have to observe here, the term almost all the same here, but here sin theta is there, but here sin 2 theta. And here cos theta and cos 2 theta here. Sin theta there and here minus sin 2 theta. Cos theta there and here cos 2 theta. Remaining terms are same here. Okay. Then which one is the correct options here? 4 options are there. But expand the determinant here. Similarly, second one also, because both are same type of determinants are there. So first expand this determinant. Delta 1 is equal to, so x into minus x into x becomes a minus x square, minus of 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus of sin theta, minus sin theta into minus sin theta into x, minus of x into sin theta. Then cos theta into 1 becomes cos theta, minus of cos theta, minus cos theta. Then write this cos theta plus cos theta into bracket, minus sin theta into 1 becomes minus sin theta. Then minus, and here is a minus and here minus x into cos theta minus x cos theta, minus and this minus become plus here, plus x into cos of theta. Okay, take a sign inside the bracket here, cos theta inside this bracket. Therefore this equal to x into minus x square minus of x cube here, x into 1 is a minus of x here, minus into minus becomes a plus, sin into sin becomes a sin square, x into sin square theta here, minus into minus becomes a plus, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta here. Then cos theta into minus sin theta, minus of sin theta into cos theta here. Then cos theta into cos theta become cos square here, x into cos square theta. Okay. Then sin theta cos theta and minus sin theta cos theta get cancels here. Therefore this equal to minus of x cube minus x here, and from these two term x common factor here. Write x outside here, hence sin square theta plus cos square theta. And you know sin square plus cos square is 1 here, therefore minus of x cube minus x plus x here. Minus x and plus x cancels here, therefore remaining here minus of x cube. Similarly, if you expand this second determinant here, delta 2, again you will get a minus of x cube only. Okay, because the terms are same here. In this step you will get a sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta, again it is 1 here. Here x and x cancels, remaining here minus x cube only. Therefore delta 1 is minus x cube, delta 2 is a minus x cube. Then add it here, delta 1 plus delta 2. It is a minus of 2x cube here. Therefore C is the correct option here, minus 2x cube. The value of theta belongs to 0, pi by 3, for which 1 plus cos square theta, sin square theta, for cos 6 theta, cos square theta, 1 plus sin square theta, for cos 6 theta, cos square theta, sin square theta, 1 plus 4 cos 6 theta equal to 0 is first option is pi by 9, second option pi by 18, third option 7 pi divided by 24, Fourth option is 7.1 by 36 here. So in this case, we can add these two columns here. Okay, so C1 gives here C1 plus C2 here. Therefore, here this term plus this term here, sin square plus cos square is 1 here. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. These are 2 here. Even here also, sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Cos square plus sin square is 1 here. And the remaining two columns keep as it is. So sin square theta, then 1 plus sin square theta, and sin square theta here. Then 4 cos of 6 theta, then 4 cos of 6 theta, 1 plus 4 cos of 6 theta, that is equal to 0, is equal to 0. You can make these two terms 0 here, multiply by 2 and subtract to these two rows here. Therefore, R1 gives R1 minus 2 into R3 here. Similarly, R2 gives here R2 minus 2 into R3. So only first and second row changes here. First row and second row. Only these two row changes. Third row keep as it is here. Hence, determinant of. So third row elements are 1. This is sin square theta here. Sin square theta and 1 plus 4 cos 6 theta. 1 plus 4 cos of 6 theta terms keep as it is here. Means third row term keep as it is. So R1 gives R1 minus 2 R3 here. Means multiply by 2. Third row by 2 here. Subtract here. Means subtract. 2 ones are 2 here. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So this is 0. Then multiply by 2. Then subtract here. Sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Then it is a minus of sin square theta. Okay. So minus of sin square theta. So similarly, here multiply by 2 here and subtract here. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 here. Then subtract here, it gives a minus of 2. So it is a minus of 2 here. Multiply 2 here, 4 2s are 8. 4 cos 6 theta minus 8 cos 6 theta gives a minus 4 into cos of 6 theta. Okay, multiply this row by 2 here and subtract in the first row. Similarly, multiply third row by 2 and subtract here. 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Multiply by 2 here and subtract here. So 1 keep as it is here. Sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta gives a minus of sin square theta. Minus sin square theta. So similarly, multiply by 2 here and subtract here. Therefore, it becomes a minus of 2 here. 4 2s are 8 and subtract here. 4 cos 6 theta minus 4 cos 6, 8 cos 6, 4 2s are 8 here. 4 minus 8 minus 4. Minus 4 into cos of 6 theta. Okay. Now we can expand this determinant here. So expand along this R1 here. Okay. Therefore, on expanding with respect to with respect to C1 here. Means here these two terms are zero here. So expanding with respect to C1 means the first column we get. So on expanding with respect to first column here, because these two terms are always 0 here, and you know that 0 into any term is 0. Therefore, only one is there. So deleting this row and this column here, then this into this here. Okay, minus of sin square theta into minus 2 minus 4 cos 6 theta. minus 2 minus 4 cos of 6 theta. Then minus here. Then this into this here. This into this term. 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus of sin square theta into minus 2 minus 4 cos 6 theta. Minus 2 minus 4 cos of 6 theta. That is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then here minus 2 minus 4 cos 6 theta. Minus 2 minus 4 cos 6 theta common factor here. So minus sin square theta is minus of sin square theta. Then minus of this term here. Minus of 1 minus sin square theta into minus 2 minus 4 cos of 6 theta, that is equal to 0. Here minus 2 minus 4 cos theta common factor. Yes, minus sin square theta minus of 1 minus sin square theta. Right in the bracket here. Take this minus inside here. So minus of sin square theta here. Minus of 1 minus into minus become plus sin square theta into minus 2 minus 4 cos of 6 theta, that is equal to 0. Here minus sin square theta plus sin square theta get cancels here. Take a minus 1 inside means multiply this two term by minus here. Minus become plus here, therefore 2 plus 4 into cos of 6 theta is equal to 0. Then 4 into cos of 6 theta is equal to minus 2 here. Hence cos of 6 theta is minus 2 divided by 4. It gives minus of 1 by 2. Cos is a negative. Cos negative in the second quadrant. Hence cos 6 theta. Cos of 6 theta is equal to 5 minus of 5 divided by 3. 5 minus 5 by 3. Therefore, so cos 6 theta. Not take that. Cos here only 6 theta. 6 theta is equal to 5 minus 5 by 3 here. Hence 6 theta is equal to 3 1s are 3. 3 pi minus 5 gives 2 pi here. 2 pi divided by 3 here. Hence theta is equal to 2 pi divided by 6 into 3 here. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are cancels here. Hence theta is equal to 5 divided by 9 here. Obviously this 5 by 9 belongs to this range 0, 5 by 3. Belong to 0, 5 divided by 3. Hence 5 by 9 here. 5 by 9 is a correct option.